Number 1. 1989 GMC Sierra 2500, price $5,000. It has been outfitted with a 4.8 LLS engine and a 4L60E automatic transmission, delivering smooth and reliable power for both daily driving and weekend cruising. Professionally tuned using HP tuners, the truck starts, runs, and drives great, showing that the swap was done with care and attention to detail. The body has approximately 200,000 miles, but the drivetrain brings new life to this dependable workhorse. Finished in a rich burgundy exterior with a matching red interior, this Sierra retains its original charm while benefiting from modern mechanical upgrades. It runs on gasoline and comes with a clean title, with no history of accidents. Whether you're looking for a dependable truck with character or a head-turning classic with updated performance, this 1989 GMC Sierra 2500 stands out as a great example. Number 2. 1995 Chevrolet S10, price $5,800. This truck is a well-maintained, reliable pickup with 140,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in classic white with a clean gray interior, it features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck is completely stock and has been owned by a single individual since new. With no history of accidents and a clean title, it has clearly been cared for properly and remains in excellent running condition. It starts right up, drives strong, and is ready for the road without needing any additional work. Everything functions as it should, including the working air conditioning and heater. The interior features roll-up windows and manual door locks, and it's equipped with an AM/FM Bluetooth radio for modern convenience. As an original, turnkey truck, this S10 offers both dependable performance and classic simplicity. Number 3. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $2,900. This is a two-wheel drive extended cab pickup with an 8-foot bed and just over 188,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in a rich burgundy exterior with a matching red interior, this truck is powered by a reliable 5.0L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Despite its age, it remains in exceptionally clean condition and runs and drives just as well as it looks. The only visible rust on the body is a small spot located on the lower rear section of the passenger side cab. A racerback fiberglass cab fairing and aluminum running boards add both style and function to its exterior. Inside, the truck includes power windows, power door locks, and power mirrors, along with air conditioning, heat, cruise control, and tilt steering for a comfortable driving experience. The original AM/FM cassette radio remains intact, and the sale includes all original manuals as well as the factory window sticker, underscoring the truck's originality and well-maintained history. Number 4. 1995 Nissan Regular Cab, price $4,500, with 202,000 miles on the odometer, and it still runs exceptionally strong. It features a manual transmission, offering a hands-on and engaging driving experience that's becoming increasingly rare. The exterior is finished in a distinctive green color, which adds to its classic charm and road presence. Despite its mileage, the engine continues to perform smoothly and reliably, with no known mechanical issues. The owner confidently states that this truck will easily run for another 200,000 miles. All systems and components are fully functional, from the lights and gauges to the clutch and transmission. The interior is in very nice condition, clean and well cared for, showing pride of ownership throughout. Number 5. 1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,300, with 139,000 miles on the odometer. It remains in good condition both inside and out. The exterior is finished in a deep burgundy color that pairs nicely with the clean and comfortable gray interior, giving the truck a classic and timeless look. Under the hood, it is powered by a robust 5.7-liter V8 engine, which is paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. The Silverado features four-wheel drive, making it capable of handling a variety of terrains and weather conditions with ease. It also comes equipped with full power accessories, including power windows and locks, offering added convenience for everyday driving. Running on gasoline, this truck has already passed a current Pennsylvania state inspection, meaning it's ready for the road. Number 6. 1984 GMC 2500, price $5,200. This is a classic square-body truck that runs, drives, and stops without any issues. With a clean title, this truck offers a great opportunity for someone looking for a running and driving vintage GMC. While the truck performs excellently and is ready to hit the road, it does have some rust, particularly on the driver's side floor, which will require a patch. There are some other minor rust spots as well, but they don't affect the overall functionality of the vehicle. This GMC 2500 is perfect for someone looking to restore a solid foundation. It's a reliable truck that can be enjoyed as is or could be worked on to bring it back to its full potential. If you're into square-body trucks and are looking for a great project or a truck to use right away, this is a fantastic option. Number 7. 1983 Chevrolet 2500, price $10,000. The vehicle has accumulated 136,000 miles and features a blue exterior and matching blue interior. Under the hood, it is powered by a 350 engine paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission, providing reliable performance and smooth shifting. The truck is a 3/4 ton long bed, offering ample space for various needs. Recent upgrades include new AC components, though the system will need to be recharged, new steering components for improved handling, and new front brakes for better stopping power. The truck also comes equipped with good tires, ensuring a smooth and safe drive. For modern entertainment, it has a retro sound Bluetooth stereo installed, offering a blend of classic style with modern functionality. Number 8. 1998 Chevrolet 2500, price $8,450, with 193,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a 6.5L diesel engine and equipped with 4x4 and an automatic transmission, it is built to handle tough jobs. The truck has a clean title and features a solid frame, ensuring durability for years to come. The exterior is white, while the interior is blue, giving it a clean and classic appearance. It has newer batteries, so it starts and runs great, and the 8-foot bed offers plenty of space for hauling. The front brakes, lines, calipers, pads, and rotors have all been recently replaced, ensuring excellent stopping power. While the truck's rockers show some blistering, and one bed rail has a hole, the rest of the body is solid and in good condition. This truck is a reliable workhorse with minor imperfections but remains a clean and functional vehicle overall. Number 9. 2000 GMC Sierra 2500, price $8,500, powered by a robust 6.0L V8 engine and paired with a smooth shifting automatic transmission, it delivers solid performance and towing capability. The truck features a 4x4 drivetrain, making it well suited for off-road use, rough terrain, or challenging weather conditions. With only 153,000 miles, it has relatively low mileage for its age and has been well maintained throughout its life. The exterior is finished in a bold red color that gives the truck a classic, rugged appearance, while the interior is finished in gray and remains in excellent condition, clean, comfortable, and showing minimal wear. It runs on gasoline and is equipped with a good set of tires, so it's ready to hit the road without needing immediate maintenance. Number 10. 1995 Chevrolet 2500, price $5,900, showing just 101,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in classic white with a gray interior, it features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck has been adult-owned and carefully maintained, and it still feels and drives like new, a rare feat for a vehicle that's nearly 30 years old. It comes equipped with a towing package, a brake controller, and even a CB radio, making it ideal for hauling or long-distance travel. The interior has been upgraded to the newer style for enhanced comfort and aesthetics. Recently, key maintenance items have been addressed, including the replacement of the water pump, cap, rotor, and several sensors. Additional spare parts and tune-up items are also included.